Good morning, DJ. It's Thursday, January 29th. The time is currently 9:16 a.m. It is a bloody good morning, DJ. Bear with me, DJ. I'm still waking up. I woke up today at 8:34. Let's not talk about it. Didn't do any of my morning routine, really and truly. Arrived at my desk at 9:12. Okay, as always, my weekly target is 5%. Mental check-in, apart from a little bit of still sleeping, I'm generally okay. All right, excited to see what price action has in store for us this Thursday. All right, excited to continue to grow and get 1% better. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the battle. News, we have high impact news that came out at 8:30. All right, we have another one coming out at 10 and medium impact news at 10:30 and 4:30. So we have news today. All right, making an optimal day to take a trade. Risk going into today, as always. When we get into live trading, when we determine the risk, we have to obviously go back to our previous trades and the outcome of them, and that will determine our risk going into the next trade or trading session, if that makes any sense. But for now, we don't need to do none of that. Okay, so maybe start in February or the second week of February, I would do like a proper like run of how I'm going to be trading in the live market. So yeah, maybe it might be too soon. Maybe the second week, oh, not the first week, definitely of February, but the second week of February, maybe I'll start that and do that through the whole of February and see how that goes. Weekly program going to this week is a buy program. Let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything's happened to change that for us here. Nothing's changed here in dollar for me. All right. T-bonds still targeting this relatively equal lows into the remainder of this inefficiency here. All right. Took buy side, took sell side, came into a premium, and now it's retracing, continuation trade here, retracing to take external liquidity here. As far as my current understanding of price action concerned, still risk on scenario for dollar, all right, meaning dollar lower. Everything else should be going lower. They make the lines, it's a bit too much. MNQ, all right, we closed above this inefficiency here. That means a lot. Now I want to see it support price higher, all right, to come and take buy side here and here. That's what I anticipate, all right, but obviously we have inefficiencies. This inefficiency below price, so it could come lower into here, all right, to continue higher. Let me get that one here so I can be aware of it. Um, Dow is still refusing to go anywhere, all right? It's just, yeah, it's not doing much. It was the leader. I think he was lagging behind, so yeah, I'm paying attention. I'm trying to see the correlation between the three. I'm not really well versed on that yet. Obviously, that's gonna take time. Um, PM session. This is how PM session ended. Our trade came to take us out a little bit better, or where was that break even? A little bit better than break even, but it went so fast they actually took us out in a loss of $46. But yeah, it came to take us out. All right. I came right back in time to close out my like limit order exits, my sell limit exits, or it would have tagged me in on those. That was crazy. That was just God's timing, innit? Yeah, this wouldn't have got much from it. This negative one. Okay. Anyway, let's go ahead and adjust our dealing ranges. 60-day needs to be adjusted. Way. You're not gonna see the 60-day. I'm only showing it on the higher time frame. I don't really I was having too much lines and I don't really want to confuse myself. 60-day getting adjusted, 20-day getting adjusted. Previous day, let's go ahead and pop you on there. Just sync that. Unless oh well. That's where our dealing range high is, so we don't need to adjust that. So dealing range is good going into today because we are trying something new, DJ, like I said. Usually I will be taking from this low to this high. All right. But for this week, we're doing things a little different, DJ. Just to see which one I prefer, right? And then when I back test, I'm gonna look at both and compare the days and see which one really gave me yeah, I'm gonna go back in the weeks and do that too, because then I'll have more data, to make a sound decision. For Asia low below price, we are in the premium of the dealing range. There we are, so flashy. Yeah. Relatively core highs up here. We'll be ending a little early today, DJ. I like 10:40 or something. And go pick up a friend from the station. All right. My trading hours, but doesn't hurt to watch it. Above price. Okay, so we gap down. Open range gap. This would have failed here. Okay, watching this one here. But not my setup. Trading view still going through its issues or what? Or was it me? I don't want to have to do it again, so we'll just watch it if it doesn't want to tag us in. Range. It wasn't me. Ooh, yeah, this would have been a plausible entry as well. Two, three, 4, 5. It doesn't. This is a plausible entry too, because we took this high in the same, not the same candle, but the next candle took, I mean, took this low, same candle took this low, so entry should have been here. So if it doesn't tag us in, echo. I need to remember that that's a new procedure and protocol, but I need to, what the hell? Screw this. Go away. All of you go away. -1. Stop would be at 0.75. Four contracts, counter trend trade. So 2 would be off here, 3, and then 4 be getting out our -3. So let's see, stop right now would be here. Remember, if there are two short-term highs or short-term lows that gets taken in the displacement lower, go with the lowest one, or it might not come up to the first one. We got this down already. Well, we didn't write it down actually. We spoke about it this week in one of the DJs. -2, stop would be at 0. Always at the 2-minute mark. I don't know if you noticed that, DJ, but at that 2 minute after that 2-minute mark, do have that daily inefficiency, which is also has previous daily line nested in it. This one, this inefficiency that we spoke about to keep price higher. Fair, fair miss entry there. Take that off of me. Nothing yet. Just being proactive. No, there could be something. -3. All right, we'll be done with this trade here. Really 4 contracts. 2 comes off here. 1, done. We'll stay with it and see what else it offers us. But for me, I'll be out. Solid morning setup there. I Trading view, you're doing madness right now. It's been all week like that, bro. That's crazy, bro. Anyway, 2 would be coming off here at -1. Which should be 0, 1. Madness, trading view. Madness you got going on here. Who do I complain to? -1. Stop would be at 0.75 here. We'll have 2 more contracts left in it. Oh no, 3 more. So 2, 3, 4, 5. and -4 is where our terminus would be on this trade. And then we'll be done here soon, DJ. Two solid morning trades. Even now, they would have come and entered me in here, but still nowhere to be found. Did I even enter it? I know I did. It's okay. I'm fine just watching it too. All right, you begin smashed out that now. A -1. Fair enough. It'll be a joke, isn't it? Mhm. Took a 15-second loss. So I would actually be waiting for a 1 minute because we're in the same interval. But we'll watch it regardless and see what happens. 1 minute's up here. Yeah. No, we would have avoided the loss following our procedures and protocols. Let's see. Most definitely. Thank you, procedures and protocols. Need to be aware. Oh, piss off, trading view. Piss right off. That's some BS. Piss off, man. Fuck you talking about? Stop doing dumb shit, bro. So stupid. Like, what? Keep that bullshit. Yeah, of course something went wrong. $1,000? Oh, there's some shit right here, boy. Hmm? Oh, mate. Mm. About to lose this whole account right now. Oh, mate. This is wild. I don't ever want to see no shit like that. Um, negative 5.5 getting smashed in the morning trade there. Didn't give us enough contract to capitalize on all of this, but good to know though. Future reference. Leave a runner. Piss off, man. Get off my screen. Hell no bullshit. They coming to take previous day, daily range low all the way there. Alright, let's see then. See what you got then. Full steam ahead. Yeah, you guys are full of shit. I hope no shit like that happens in real life, boy, because, bro, I'm gonna have issues with that. Why are you sleeping about it? Can you believe it, DJ? January is done already. It's done up. Just piss off, man. Just write off TV. I don't know what is going on. How come you won't let me close this bad boy then? That's me. Not until this low trade to and through. Until that, this will be the high that needs to go, really. Oh, piss off. Trading view just boiling my brain right now. Piss right off, man. Give me unnecessary losses I don't need. Like, what? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you people? -7. Solid setup there. Oof. Trade of the morning, that one. 50-50. Isn't it? As a whole. Okay. It is a premium array because it's on a premium. It's above price. I see you. I see you. Doesn't just have to be a high or a low. You know, I'm not limited with just that. Huh? See you. I see you. I need to start looking at them as what they are, right? Premium and discount arrays. It's gonna take some time, but I will get there. I will get there. Even the 1 minute, this would have been the 1 minute I set up here. See that? I see that. All right, DJ. I'm gonna do a trade performance with you. I gotta get out of here. What I did well this morning, right, is that I showed up. All right, got 1% better, gained experience and learned lessons that I take into my next trading day. What I did learn from today is something, not that I learned, but like just brought to light more, I guess, today. That they're premium and discount arrays, right? A low can still be a premium array if it's above price, right? It just depends on where it's at. Here, above daily range equilibrium is premium, right? This previous daily low is a premium array. Even though it's a low, it's still a premium array. So treat it as such, right? Yeah, I wasn't even paying attention to that. And I've noticed that the highs and the lows, once they break above, they tend to act as support and resistance. I guess we can we can use that terminology because that's the only thing I can use to relate to what I'm trying to say right now. Interesting there. Interesting. This setup was solid. That was on me. We already spoke about, hey, if there are two lows that gets taken in the displacement leg, then if just this one and it came up and then tagged me fair. But if it's like straight, it can be just this one and the next one closes or takes the next swing low, just like it did here. All right, entry point should be at the lowest swing point. We spoke about this the other week, but that's on me. All right, I accept that. That was all on me. As we saw, I had my limit order here and it didn't come up because of this low here as well. Took this, would have given me a -1 and then company taking me out reduced risk, but trading view was acting up, boy, acting up. And that was pretty much it for the morning. Wouldn't be taking this because that's questionable now, and it gave me -1. And then there was this solid setup here, the 45s, macro, 50 macro. Where are we? Premium. Premium array. Okay. Give me something to pay attention to moving forward now. So I like that. Cool. Cool. I'll take a look at that during the back testing this weekend and see if there's any merit there. But clearly there is. Solid setup there. Even if I didn't see this one, all right, this was my clean setup that I saw. I noticed, it's easy for me to see it. These ones gonna take some time to get adjusted to that. But I get it, I get it, I get it. But if not these, where would they have been, right? You get me? What I felt sure today would be wake up time and not get my morning routine in. All right, you know, there's no excuse. I need to do better, bro. Like this whole week, it's just that one day. Yesterday was the only day that I didn't like fall short on that part, but this whole week, literally, I've been falling short on that. It's all right. I'm human, I'm gonna fall short. So it is what it is. I just can only aim to do better and improve really, truly. How I can improve for next day, next trading session is just keep showing up, all right? Keep seeking excellence in everything I do. Don't let short-term adversity, losses, series of losses deter me, distract me, deviate me from what I got going on here. Keep following my model, my procedures and protocols. And that's pretty much it. Every day I show up, I'm doing the job, all right? It's the same job I'm doing each and every day. Just show up, do the job, and go about the rest of your day. Show up the next day, do the job, then go about your day, right? Nothing new, nothing exciting. It's just different day, same shit I'm looking for. And that's how I want my trading. I've always wanted my trading to be, standardized, consistent, like repetitive. I'm doing the same thing over and over. It's not a different. Well, the markets obviously the model comes in different way, different variations, but what I'm looking for is the same, right? Each and every day, right? I'm doing the same thing. We have been doing the same thing each and every day for a while now, right? So nothing new, nothing exciting. It's how I want it to be. All right, DJ, we'll be back before PM session kicking up at 1:20. We do have news at 4:30, but doesn't really pertain to us on the day. But either way, we've had news today. Still makes it an optimal day to take a trade. So short one for us today, DJ, until PM session. I'm the trader here. Signing out. Good luck, good trading. As always, what? Happy hunting.